Hi everyone, welcome to the class. In this class, we shall learn with the concept of HCF. HCF or GCD, both are the same terms, the same meaning is same. Highest common factor, HCF means full form, GCD full form, greatest common divisor. In this class, we learn concept of HCF and uses of HCF and methods to find HCF. Number one, listing of factors method, and second, division method. So afterwards, we learn some tricks to find HCF for particular numbers. After that, an assignment is given at the end of the video. Then let us understand the definition of the HCF. H stands for highest, C stands for common, F stands for factor. So the largest of all the common factors of the given numbers is called HCF, highest common factor of those numbers. So here, let us take an example and understand the concept. Find HCF of 12 and 18. Let us write factors of 12. We know how to write factors of 12. Let us write here 1 divides 12, so 1 12 are 12, 2 divides 12, 2 6 are 12, 3 divides 12, 3 4 are 12, 4 3 are 12, and 5 does not divide, 6 divides the 12, so 6 2 are 12. Now take all the numbers as factors. Don't write the repeated numbers. Now write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. These are the factors of 12. Now take 18, factors of 18. Let us write here 1 18 is 18, 2 9 is 18, 3 6 is 18, 4 does not divide 18, 5 does not divide 18, 6 3 is 18, 9 2 is 18, 7 and 8 does not divide. Let us stop. Now take all the numbers, all of the factors of 18 here. So 1, 2, 3, here 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18 are the factors of 18. Now find the common factors in these factors list. Here 1 is the common factor and 2 is the common factor, 3 is the common factor and 6 is the common factor. That means 1, 2, 3 and 6 divide these two numbers. So they are the common factors. Now highest common factor. What is the highest one among all these factors? 6 is the highest one. So 6 is the highest common factor of 12 and 18. This is the HCF of the 12 and 18. So 6 divides 12 and 6 divides 18. This is the highest number which divide the given two numbers. What is the use of finding highest common factor? If you know how to find highest common factor, we can factorize algebraic expressions easily, and also we can solve HCF of some verbal problems, HCF related verbal problems in arithmetic. So we have to know about HCF very thoroughly. Now let us take an example, one more example to understand the concept easily. Find HCF of 36 and 42 by writing factors. First method. This is also called listing method. So factors of 36. We know how to find factors of 36. Let us write here. 1 into 36. Now take 2. 2 1 ja 2. 18 is a 2. 18 is a 36. Take 3. 3 1 ja 3 2 ja. Take 4. 4 9 ja 36. 5 does not divide. 6 divides. 6 6 is 36. 7 8 does not divide. 9 divides. 9 4 is 36. Now to take all the numbers, those are the factors of 36. So 1 divides, 2 divides, 3 divides, 4 divides, 6 divides, 9 divides, and 12 divides, 18 divides, 36. These are the factors of 36. Now write factors of 42. You know how to find factors of 42. 1 into 42. 1 divides 42. 2. 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2. 2 into 21 is equal to 42. Take 3. 3 1 ja 3. 12. 3 4 ja 12. 3 14 ja 42. 4 does not divide. 4 1 ja does not divide. 5 does not divide. 6 divides. 6 7 ja 42. 7 divides. 7 6 ja 42. 8 does not divide. 9 does not divide. Now stop. Now take all the numbers as factors 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 6 comma 7 comma 14 comma 21 comma 42. Now round up all the common factors. Common factors. Encircle common factors. 1 is common, 2 is a common, 3 is a common, 4 is a common factor, 6 is a common factor, 9 not common factor, 12 also not common factor, 18 not common factor, 36 non-common factor. So write all these factors which are common 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 6. Among these, highest common factor is 6. So 6 is the highest common factor for these two numbers. So in this way we can find factors by writing factors, and we can find HCF of the given numbers by writing factors. So we can find the HCF in division method also. This seems to be somewhat lengthy method. We can find HCF by division method in easy way. Let us see how to solve this one by division method. All right, here find HCF of 36 and 42. Divide 42 by 36. The number which is being divided is called dividend. The number which divides is called divisor. Now divide. 36 goes one time from 42, so 36 1 ja 36. Now subtract here, so 6 is a remainder. This remainder becomes new divisor, and previous divisor take as dividend. And the remainder becomes new divisor, and previous divisor becomes new dividend. So this is dividend, this is divisor. 6 6 are 36. The last divisor, this last divisor is taken as HCF. So HCF of, therefore HCF of 36 and 42 is 6. This is the HCF. Now let us find the HCF of three numbers. How to find HCF of three numbers? By division method. Find HCF of 72, 108 and 40 by division method. So which numbers we have to take first? You can take any two numbers, no problem. I will take here 40 and 72. First of all, we shall find the HCF of 40 and 72. 72 is a dividend, 40 is the divisor. 40 is the divisor, 72 is the dividend. 40 ones are 40. Now subtract to 32. Now this remainder becomes as new divisor. Previously I have written there, and old divisor, previous divisor becomes new dividend, comes here. Now 32 1 ja 32. Now after subtraction 8 is the remainder. This remainder becomes new divisor, and old previous divisor becomes dividend. Eight 4 ja 32. Here. So what is the HCF of 40 and 72? Is, yes, it is 8. The last divisor is taken as HCF. HCF of 40 and 72 is 8. Now take 8 and the remaining number 108, 108. Now we have to find HCF of 8 and 108. How to find HCF of 8 and 108? The same manner. Divide 108 by 8. 8 1 ja 8. Remainder 2. And the division is not completed. So continue the division until you get a remainder. Bring down 8. 8 3 ja 24. Now we got here remainder. This remainder becomes new divisor, and a previous divisor becomes dividend here. This one becomes here dividend. Now divide the dividend with this divisor. 4 2 ja 8. We got remainder 0. So the here last divisor 4 is the HCF of 70, 108 and 40. In this way, we have to find HCF of given numbers by division method. Once again, see here, select any two numbers. First find HCF of two numbers. I have selected here 40 and 72. So 8 is the HCF of 40 and 72. 8 5 is 40. 8 9 is 72. Okay. Then find HCF of this 8 and the remaining number 108. So here 4 is the HCF of the 8 and 108. So totally 4 is the HCF of all given numbers. We can check whether it is correct or not. 8 9 is 72, 4 9 is 4 1 is 4, 32 means 4 is 32, 4 18 is 72. Similarly, 4 2 is 8, 4 7 is 28, 4 10 is 40. Now let us find some tricks to find HCF. HCF. First one, the smaller or smallest number of the given numbers is the factor of other numbers, then that one number is the number is called HCF of the given numbers. If the smallest number is the factor of other numbers, then that number is HCF of those numbers. For example, find HCF of 6, 18, 30. Among these three numbers, the smallest one is 6 and it divides 18 and divides 30. 6 3 is 18, 6 5 is 30. Therefore, HCF of the above numbers is 6. Similarly, we can take any example. HCF of 4 and 20. Here 4 divides 20, therefore HCF is 4 because 20 is divisible by 4, 4 5 is 20. Now we take some more numbers. Find HCF of 6, 48 and 54. Now 6 divides 48, 6 is 48, 6 9 is 54. Therefore, HCF of given numbers here 6, 48 and 54 given numbers is 6. In this way, we can find HCF without doing division method or without listing the factors method. We can find HCF easily. Now, one more thing is to be discussed here. Co-primes. Co-primes. What are called co-primes? If HCF of given numbers is 1, then the numbers are called co-primes. Co-primes are relatively prime numbers. So HCF of given numbers is 1. The numbers are called coprimes or way to the prime numbers. Here prime numbers may be any two, coprimes may be any two prime numbers. For example, 3, 5 are coprimes because their common factor is 1. 2, 3 also coprimes. 7, 11 also numbers also coprimes because their common factor is 1. Therefore, HCF of all these numbers is 1. HCF of coprimes or prime numbers, any prime numbers is 1. Now coprimes may be any two consecutive numbers. Second one, coprimes may be any two consecutive numbers. For example, 6 and 7. 6 is a composite number, 7 is a prime number, but common factor of 6 and 7. Factors of 6, 1, 2, 3, 6. Factor of 7, 1, 7. Here common factor is 1. Therefore, HCF of coprimes is 1. HCF of two consecutive numbers here is also 1. If you take any two consecutive numbers, 10, 11, and its HCF is 1, 25, 26. HCF of 25, 26 also 1. So in this way, we can write HCF of any two consecutive numbers as 1 without doing any division. The third case is HCF of two composite numbers also sometimes will be 1. For example, 8, 15. Here 8 is the composite number, 15 also composite number. Factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, 8. Factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5, 15. Here 1 is the common factor. So in this case, these numbers also called coprimes or relative prime numbers because their HCF is 1. In this way, we can find HCF without doing actual division. So here is an assignment to you. Find HCF of the following numbers by guessing or writing all factors. Number 1, 4, 8. Number 2, 7, 11. Third question, 3, 6, 9. And fourth question, 8, 9. Fifth question, 12, 18. Second bit, find HCF by division method. First one 60 comma 70 comma 120, and second one 135 comma 225, and third one 84 comma 126 comma 210, and fourth one 72 comma 240 comma 336. Find the HCF of these numbers by division method, and find the HCF of these numbers by guessing or writing all factors method. If you have any doubt, just revise the video and go through the video and find the HCF of these given numbers. Okay.